Hi, my name is Melissa. I'm an asthma educator and a nurse at the University of Vermont Children's Hospital. I'm here to talk to you today about using your inhaler with a spacer and a mouthpiece. First, what you want to do is pick up all your medications from the pharmacy and get home and make sure you open it all up and check out that you have the right medication and the right inhaler. Once you have completed that, then you're going to take everything out of the packaging. All right, so you have your inhaler and you want to remove the cap. Then you want to prime it 2 puffs into the air. This is priming the medication into the inhaler. Then you want to shake it about 10 seconds. Then you're going to be putting it at the end of your spacer. Then you're going to remove the cap to the front. You want to take a big breath in and you want to hold it for 10 seconds. And then you breathe all your air out. That's the best way to do the spacer with mouthpiece. Mason's going to show us how to do it. So you're going to puff the inhaler and take a big breath at the same time. Big one in, hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you breathe all your air out. Excellent. You wait 1 minute in between. If your prescription calls for 2, then you would do the 2 puffs. Some prescriptions do call for just 1 puff morning or night or 1 puff daily. Then he's going to show us how to do it if he does it too fast. It's going to make a whistling noise. So you don't want that to happen. If you do hear the whistling noise, you just want to slow your breathing down the next time you do it. Show us how to do it and make a whistle. Just like that. So if you hear that, you went too fast. Kids often do that because they're hurrying it along and don't want to sit still long enough to do their medicine. Then you just put the caps on together like that. You can either store it in your kitchen, in the glass area, because every time you do that, morning and night, kids eat breakfast and dinner. After you use your spacer with mouthpiece and you use your inhaled corticosteroids, it's important that you rinse your mouth out with water every time you use it. For inhaler maintenance, you want to make sure you wash them in hot soapy water once a week. You take the end off, fill the sink up with hot soapy water, shake it in, rinse it really good, and then you want to put it next to the sink and you air dry it overnight. Then your spacer is ready to use the next morning. If you have any questions, contact your primary care or your asthma doctor.